Okay, guys. It is a Sunday, so before we get started, guys, I just wanna quickly show you guys what I'm looking for this week. As you guys can see by the date there, I'm not sure if it's visible the recording date, but it is a Sunday, 19th of April. So, um, okay, guys, if you guys remember on the last video. So we took a trade on Friday on USDC chef, right? We took a trade, can't remember where it was, but somewhere around here. So we were looking to hold that trade coming all the way down here for this week, right? But then as you guys can see here, right before the market closed, I remember I was thinking of moving my stop loss to break even. Okay, let me say it was here because I can't really remember where I took the trade. But I wanted to move my stop loss to break even or into into a little bit of profit, right? So this is where I was hoping to move my trade to be at. But then as you guys can see, the market went down and then it came back pushing aggressively, just like how it went down. So I'm thinking we might have gaps. So if you guys have been following the fundamentals and everything and what they've been saying with the regards of the war and stuff. So I'm expecting that we might get a gap, right, coming to this area right here to test this hook point or this breaker block right here before continuing going to the downside, right? So I'll be looking for entries right here because I closed my trades on Friday just before the market closed. Because when it was down here, it was in a lot of profit. But yeah, here we just closed with bare minimum profit, so which is fine. We'll always wait for another entry, just like I'm saying. So my watch list is only this USDC shelf and Euro USD, as you guys can see. So we are looking for sales on USDC shelf. And here on the Euro USD, we're looking for buys, right? Let me show you guys on the H4 time frame. So I'm still looking to complete uh the movement to the upside, right? Covering all of this range, right? So that's what I'll be looking for. So as for entries, as you guys can see right here, uh, across USD pairs, we had more or less of the same pattern for Friday market close. If you guys check, you'll see that you have this pattern, right? So right here for me, I'm looking for either the market is gonna turn right where it is, right? And then give us a continuation, which is a high likely possibility that I'm looking at. And I'm also looking for this second scenario right here, where the market can come and take out this hook point right here, or take out this area of liquidity right there, and then reverse, giving us that correction that we're always looking for. And then, yeah, we ride it to the upside down, guys. So, yeah, this is what I'll be looking for only on these two pairs. Uh, as you guys can see, even the DXY right here, as you guys know, it correlates more with the Euro USD, right? As you guys can see, we had a breaker right there of the trend line. So we're still looking for the downside. The reason why I have a strong bias for the buys on Euro USD, guys, is because if you guys see on the DXY, right? We had an impulse here, a correction here, and then an impulse here, even though here's a gap, but it is an impulse, then a correction. Now you had an impulse. And this is forming a very nice continuation, guys. This is what I like to see. So that's why I am very much biased with the bulls for this week on Euro USD, right? So the rest of the of the USD pairs, because I usually trade USD pairs only, like it's very, very rare for me to trade anything else. So these are the things I haven't analyzed it. So I just did my Sunday market breakdown of the USD pairs. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking for. Even the GBP USD, as you guys can see here, it's looking similar like the Euro USD. So if should it play out as well, I'll also be keeping my eye on it. In fact, let me mark it right now. Okay, it is marked. So I'll also be keeping my eye on it. It will be my third pair that I'll be looking for. In fact, I think this one is gonna be very, very nice because I like how it came down so impulsively, right? Should we get a gap, it can gap down here and starts going up, and then that's when we'll be looking for that small continuation to ride the whole movement going to the upside, right? So yeah, I think it's also looking very good. I'll also be looking for a trade on this one. So yeah, I think this is about it for now. So I'll keep you guys updated. So as you guys can see, all the USD pairs, guys, they're looking very, very much similar. So I'll just wait to see how the market reacts when it opens because I'm thinking that I should wait for the market open. It's gonna open in an hour and 10 minutes. Yeah, an hour and 10 minutes. That will be a market open, but I don't know because right now I'm very, very tired. I wanna go to bed, so otherwise I'll have to wake up very early so that I can see what happened. But yeah, I'll see what I decide to do. So yeah, that's it, guys. Should there be anything else? I'll obviously keep you guys updated. So yeah. We are not in a trade right now on our funded accounts. So, or on our 5K challenge, because we are done with the 10K challenge. Right now, my focus is to pass the phase one, get through phase one, and get through phase two on the 5K challenge. So, I'm obviously going to be showing you those accounts as well, yeah, guys. So, yeah, catch you guys in the next clip. Good morning, guys. So it is another day. It is a Monday, guys. The market is open. And as I said on the last clip, or as I was expecting, the gaps, guys. Look at this. The market gap down. So now it's retracing up, right? Like I was expecting. So I'll be looking to take advantage of this going to the upside. Like I'm just waiting for those corrections that I was talking about, and then we take it to the upside. As you guys can see, everywhere gaps as I was expecting them. Now it came back inside the hook point that I was looking at, right? I mean, check this out, guys. Check this out. And even the USD chef, you see what I was saying about when I said I closed out my trade on Friday before market closed because the market could have retraced and took me out, and it did exactly just that. Look where it came to. So now it is selling again. So we'll be looking to take advantage of the sales, right? I think this one will be ready very soon. I think this one will be ready very soon. Yeah, I'll be keeping my eye on you this year. I think this pair really moves nice because I passed my account with this pair. Like ever since I bought my trading accounts, this is the pair that I've been getting my trades on, and it is still moving very nice. So yeah, I think this is looking very, very good. So what I'll do here, I'll just wait to see how. Yeah, no, this is good. Definitely gonna be taking a trade on this one very soon. But then yeah, guys, as you guys can see, overall the market is doing what we anticipated. So yeah, that's the update for now. So as you guys can see by the time, oh man, the lighting, guys. Yo, it is 6:30 in the morning, the 20th of April. So yeah, right now, just gonna be preparing to go to my 9 to 5, and yeah, hopefully I'll be able to catch a trade here. If I do, obviously I'm gonna record it so that I can keep you guys updated as well. So yeah, catch you guys on the next clip. Just an update, guys, just an update. So I just took a trade on GBP USD, guys. So as you guys can see, they were currently running at a loss of 5 USD. So as you guys can see right there, the thingy, it is the 5K account. So we're just gonna see how the trade is gonna go. Let me show you on the thingy, on trading view. So as you guys can see, the setup, it is still the same. So I took this trade on this 4-hour candle right now. So I'm just targeting at least 4.6%. So should the market get there, we're gonna pass phase 1 of our challenge. So the risk, right, it is still the same. We're risking the 1%, guys. Like, I am never someone who risks more than I should, right? So my risk is very strict. So yeah, we're just gonna see how it's going. So yeah, right now it's running at a loss, guys. Look at it, $8. So now the problem with this, the reason why we're running such a loss, guys, is because like I just took this trade right now, and as you guys can see by the candlesticks right there, right? Let me go to the 15 minutes and I'll show you. So this is the 15 minute. So I'm anticipating that the market may come to test this area right here, but I won't be able to wait for this because right now I have to go to work, right? The setup is valid, but the candlestick entry, it's not valid. I just took this trade, so that's why my stop is extended to all the way down here, right? So should the market break here and then come even lower, then it means the setup will be invalidated for now, right? So which is why my stop loss is way down here, but the risk is still on 1%, right? It just depends on the lot size and the pips and your stop loss pips. So you just calculate that and then it gives you a 1% risk. So that's what I've done. So right now I'm just gonna leave it this way and see how it goes, and then I'll check it back after the 4-hour candle closes, because I took this trade on a 4-hour, so I have to use the 4-hour to manage it. Otherwise, on the lower time frames, as you guys saw, those candles are not what I'm looking for. So if I keep on checking it or managing it using lower time frames like that while I took it on the H4, is when I mess up with my emotions, and that's what I'm trying to avoid, right? So I'm gonna keep it like this on the H4, and yeah, just see how this candle closes. Hopefully it doesn't take me out, right? So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Always jeans. So guys, an update on the account. So we took a trade in the morning. So as you guys can see, it is currently running $55, right? GBP USD is currently running $55. So as you guys can see there, the balance and the equity, right? So yeah. So what happened, guys, is that the trade that I'm in, I actually took like a late entry, sort of. The reason for that is because, guys, I was hesitating to take this trade. I don't know why. The reason why, I don't know why. So if you guys can check here, right, I have this entry tools here, two of them, this one and this one. This is the one that I'm in a trade. Like, this is why I got into the trade. The first one, I took the trade here, and then as it went up with this candle right there, let me just zoom this thing in. As it went up with this candle, and then it rejected it, closed bearish, gave us the second candle. I closed the trade for a break even, and then after that the market started going up, guys. I don't even know, because as you guys saw with the previous clip, this I anticipated these moves in the morning. I was like, this is actually from yesterday, I think. Yeah, as I was showing you guys that this is how I'm expecting this market to move at the market open, guys. I mean, look at this, going exactly as we anticipated. Come on now. This one I was not watching it. That's a USD. And yeah, another thing that I did, guys, is that before I got an entry on GBP I was also watching USD CAD, right? When it was right there, I hesitated to take this trade. I don't even know why, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Look at this. This would have been 3.6%. I'll be done with phase 1 on the 5K challenge right now. If only I took this trade, but for some weird reason that I don't even understand, I was hesitating to take it. Guys, every setup, look at this. I did tell you guys that I'm looking to take an entry on USD CHF, but look, it just left without us, guys. Like, I did not take this entry. And the thing is, I was watching this market playing on, guys, while I was at work. I was watching this market going. Look, this would have been a nice 3.3%. A very nice one, guys. I did not take it as well. The Euro USD, I also hesitated on it. I remember I was skeptical about which one I should take between Euro USD and GBP USD. And look, guys, it's moving. This is what we were expecting when we were doing the SMB on Sunday, guys. But hey, we did not take any trade. Look, guys, just look. There were such beautiful entries. But yeah, hopefully this one can push all the way up there, and then if it reaches right there, guys, then we are gonna have ourselves a complete challenge. The phase 1 will be done, and then we're gonna start with the phase 2, and then yeah, we get our account. So the goal with this, guys, is just so that once I pass this 5K challenge, right, I'll also be having the 10K challenge. So the goal here is to scale up, guys. Is to scale up as much as possible. So should it happen that I make a withdrawal from this account, right, I'm gonna be buying 100K challenges, guys. Like, my goal is to make sure that I have at least 300K funded accounts. Three of them. That's my goal. So, and if there's any prop firm out there that's legit and it offers at least a 200K challenge, I'm also gonna go for that. My goal is to just scale up, guys, for this year. this whole year I just want to scale up with Profem accounts and see how far I can go, and then yeah, everything else will come secondary, guys. Everything else will come secondary. The whatever, the spendings, and all those things, those are necessary things that we like to do with money. They'll just be secondary, guys. Right now my goal is to scale up, and yeah, that's the current update. So I'll update you guys probably tomorrow, which will be a Tuesday. We'll see how this trade plays out. Right now I'm thinking of moving my stops to break even because it's over 1 to 1, right? But the problem is where the entry is at. The market might retrace there, take me out, and then continue. So what I did, guys, is that I moved, because I risk 1%, right? So I moved my stop loss, I think somewhere around here. So now I'm risking a percentage. I'm no longer risking a 1%. So even if it happens that the market comes back, it won't be able to take me out for a full 1%. I'll be out for a half a percentage, of which it's still good. It's still good. I can't complain. But yeah, hopefully it plays out and we hit TP so that yeah, we can move on to the next stage of the account. That's the update for now. I'll catch you guys with another update, whether we hit a TP or a loss. So yeah. So guys, I just thought I should show you guys the dashboard with the Profem that I trade with. As you guys can see, they just updated this dashboard, guys. The reason why I wanted to show you guys, this is like some next level stuff. I'm telling you, this thing makes you feel like you are a professional trader. Like, yo guys, like you are making millions daily. Like the the dashboard, what they have done here, guys, it's nothing short of an amazing, guys. It's nothing short of an amazing work. Like, this is crazy. Just look at this, guys. Everything is in order. Your wins, your losses, your win rates, your average losing trades, average daily volumes, guys. Yo. Look at this. Win rate 66%, profit factor, consistency 100%. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm loving this. Like, I hope this prop firm stays legit always, like it never changes or anything. I mean, look at this, guys. Total trades, right? 2 losses, 4 wins, 0 break evens. Guys, this is this is so good. Like, when you're in this dashboard, guys, you feel like the most experienced trader, the most professional trader. Like, you are trading at the NYC floor itself. Like, guys, look at this. Pair daily distribution showing top 6 Euro USD, GBP USD, CHF. Guys, come on. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Look, like, guys, I ain't gonna lie, this is next level stuff. Everything is in order. Like, you can see your performance. Like, this is a confidence booster, guys, because you can see everything, your performance. So this way you are able to check yourself and see where you're doing wrong, what you can fix. Guys, yo. There's just so much going on in here. But yeah, I think this is the prop firm that I'll be sticking with for as long as they stay legit as they are right now, because it is currently one of the best ones. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that, because this looks amazing. They just updated this, I think, today, because yesterday it was not like this. But yeah, it's really amazing.
always be the one for you. Love me, hate me, you know you drive me crazy, but I know that I'll always be the one for you. And I know that we've made mistakes, but I know that we'll be okay. Our love, it won't fade out, there's no doubt, we're here now. I know it never comes easy, believe me, I need someone I can trust, worth keeping. It never comes easy, believe me, believe me. And when my soul came crashing down, you fell in my life somehow. I want you by my side till the afterlife. If you're not by my side, and I don't wanna wait, love, cause you're keeping me alive. We will love till the end of time, we'll live even when we die. I don't wanna wake up if you're not by my side. They'll have to take us to the afterlife. And I need you can save me. I will bleed through if you betray me, cause I know that I'll always be the one for you. And we fall hard, yeah, we fall fast. Got a few scars from our old past, but I know that I'll always be the one.
Okay guys, it is another day. It's a Tuesday. So guys, I'm in this trade, the GBP JPY trade, and it's not looking good. It's not looking good at all, guys, because the GBP USD trade that we were in, it took us out for a break even. I already deleted the analysis here, but it took us out for a break even. So as you guys can see here, I'm on my MetaTrader. We are in this GBP JPY trade right there. So yeah, that is the current update on the account. So what I'm gonna do is that usually what I like to do, guys, is that if I take a setup and I get taken out, I delete all my analysis. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna delete all the analysis on the USD pairs that I was watching, right, and then reanalyze everything. So right now, as I said, I'm in the GBP USD trade. It's looking good from a higher time frame, as you guys can see here on the H4 time frame. So we had this area of value here, and then we broke it, we came back inside. So right now we created this sort of, we had an impulse, and then we had this sort of a correction right here. So going to the H1 time frame, as you guys can see. So my stop loss is right there, just above the high of this correction. So we had this trend line right here, of which it's sort of valid, give or take. But yeah, we're just gonna see if we get taken out of this trade. If we do, it's still fine. We risked 1%, so we're just gonna be waiting for another opportunity. So yeah, hopefully it moves, because this is all we're targeting. We're targeting this level right here, and then should it get there, we're obviously gonna pass our phase one. But yeah, we're just gonna see how it goes. Should it get taken out, I'll obviously update you guys. Should it move low, I'm gonna move my stops to break even once it gets to a 1-to-1, and then yeah, I'll update you guys on it.